will discuss slope intercept and intercept form of equation of a straight line. So let's first understand the meaning of intercept of a line. Yes, consider a line L. Now this line L intersects the x-axis at this point and y-axis at this point. Let this point be A. Now the point at which a line intersects x-axis is called as the x-intercept. Right? Now, as this point lies on the x-axis, so its coordinates will be of this form, a comma 0, because y coordinate will be 0. So here the line intersects the x-axis at the point a comma 0. So this is called as the x-intercept of the line, and we write x-intercept is equal to a, the x-coordinate of the point where the line intersects x-axis. Now similarly, this line L intersects the y-axis at this point, say P. Now B point lies on the y-axis, so coordinates will be of this form, 0 comma B, because x coordinate will be 0. So this point 0 comma B at which the line intersects the y-axis is called as the y-intercept, and we write y-intercept is equal to B, the y coordinate of the point at which line intersects y-axis. Yes, if this is the line, now this line intersects x-axis at this point. So this point will be the x-intercept, and yes, here the x-coordinate of the point will be negative. So x-intercept here will be negative, and this point will be called as the y-intercept, and y coordinate of this point will be positive. So here the value of y-intercept will be positive. Similarly, if the position of the line is like this, here x-intercept is this and y-intercept is this. Now x coordinate of point A will be positive, so x-intercept will be positive. Here y coordinate of the point will be negative, so y-intercept will be negative. Similarly, in this case, x-intercept will be negative and y-intercept will be negative. Suppose we have a line L which intersects x-axis at the point 3, 0 and y-axis at the point 0, 2. If I ask you what will be the x-intercept? Yes, line intersects x-axis at this point. So x-intercept will be 3, right? And similarly, y-intercept will be, yes, line intersects y-axis at this point whose coordinates are 0, 2. So we say that y-intercept is 2. Suppose I consider this line L2. Now this line L2 intersects x-axis at the point 5, 0. So this point will be the x-intercept, and we write x-intercept is equal to 5, the x coordinate of this point. And similarly, this line intersects y-axis at this point 0, minus 3. So this is the y-intercept and we write y-intercept is minus 3, the y-coordinate of this point. So now we will study the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. Yes, slope-intercept form means that we are given the slope of the line and we are given one of the intercepts, that is x-intercept or y-intercept. Then how to write the equation of the line? So consider a line with slope m and y-intercept c. Right? Now I have to write the equation of the line. Now, as the y-intercept of the line is c, y-intercept gives you the point of intersection of the line with y-axis. So as y-intercept is c, so this means that line will pass through the point 0, c. Right? And also we are given slope is equal to m. Now when slope is given and a point on the line is known, can we write the equation? Yes. We can write the equation using this form. Y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1, where m is the slope and x1 comma y1 are the coordinates of the point through which the line passes. Now the line passes through 0, c. So this is x1 and this is y1. So the equation of the line will be y minus y1, that is c, equals m, x minus x1 and x1 is 0. So I'll get y minus c equals mx, which is y equals to mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. And this is called as the slope-intercept form. For example, if I ask you to write the equation of a line with slope 1/2 and y-intercept -2. That means I'm given the slope and the y-intercept. So by using slope-intercept form, equation is y equals mx plus c, where m is the slope, so value is 1/2. And here c is the y-intercept whose value is -2. So y equals to x/2 minus 2. This is the equation of the line with slope 1/2 and y-intercept -2. Suppose the equation of a line is y equals to 2x plus 3. Now if I ask you, what will be the slope of the line? Yes, this equation is of this form. Y equals to mx plus c, right? Now, if you compare the two, what will be the value of m? Yes, m will be 2 and m denotes the slope. So, slope of the line will be 2. And yes, what does c denotes? Here c is 3. That is y-intercept will be 3. And it means line will intersect y-axis at the point 0, 3. Now let us consider the case when we are given the slope and the x-intercept of the line. Yes, consider a line with slope m and x-intercept d. Yes, x-intercept gives you the point where the line intersects x-axis. So as the x-intercept is d, so line intersects x-axis at the point d, 0. So that means line passes through d, 0 and has slope m. So using this form, equation of the line will be y minus 0. Yes, this is x1, y1. So y minus 0 will be equal to m into x minus x1, which is d. So y is equal to m into x minus d. This is the equation when the slope and the x-intercept is given. Now we will discuss the intercept form of the equation of a line. In intercept form, we are given both the intercepts, that is the x-intercept and the y-intercept. And when we are given both the intercepts, then how to write the equation? Yes, consider a line with x-intercept d and y-intercept c. Now, x-intercept gives you the point at which line intersects x-axis. So, as the x-intercept is d, so line will intersect x-axis at the point with coordinates d, 0. Similarly, y-intercept is c and y-intercept gives the point of intersection of line with y-axis. So line will intersect y-axis at a point with coordinates 0, c. Thus we have obtained 2 points through which the line is passing. Yes, when 2 points on the line are given, can you find the slope of the line? Yes. Slope of the line is given by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let this be x1 y1 and let this be x2 y2. So y2 minus y1, that is c minus 0 over x2 minus x1, that is 0 minus d. So from here slope will be minus c over d. Now slope is this, and using any of these points I'll write the equation of the line. I'm using this point, so y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So here y1 is 0, m is minus c over d and x1 is d. That is y is equal to minus c over d into x minus d. So the equation is y equals to minus c over d into x minus d. Let's simplify this. I'll transpose this d to this side, so I'll get y into d is equal to minus cx plus cd, or cx plus y into d is equal to cd. Now cd non-zero, so I divide both sides with cd. So cx over cd plus yd over cd equals cd over cd. This will get cancelled out, so I'll get x over d. This will get cancelled out, I'll get y over c, and this will be equal to 1. This is called as the intercept form. Yes. What was d? D was the x-intercept. And what was c? C was the y-intercept. So, when x and y intercepts are given. So equation is given by x over x intercept plus y over y intercept equals to 1. For example, what will be the equation of a line whose x-intercept is 3 and y-intercept is minus 2? X-intercept, that is D, is 3. Y-intercept, that is C, is minus 2. Then what will be the equation? Yes, both the intercepts are given. So we will be using the intercept form. So equation of the line will be x over x-intercept, that is x over D. And what is D? It's 3. Plus y over y-intercept, that is y over C. What is C? Minus 2. So y over minus 2 equals to 1. So I can write this as x over 3 minus y over 2 equals to 1. This is the equation of the line whose x-intercept is 3 and y-intercept is minus 2.